Hello and welcome back. We are doing part 2 to my Mejuri unboxing, Mejuri review, Mejuri try-on haul of some gold vermeil pieces that I got from the brand. So we have already tried on 3 pair of earrings and a few rings and an ear cuff. And so far, I love 2 pair of earrings, 1 ring, and I got some other pieces here. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one up. And in this one, we got some boxes. So let's see what we got in these boxes. This is actually an initial necklace with the letter J for my name. So this is the gold letter pendant necklace. And then you can get any letter that you want. Obviously, I got J for my name. And let's go ahead. How do I undo this? Okay, boom. Et voila. So there you can see the letter J, and it is kind of in that croissant looking design. Very nice. And we are going to unsnap it. Now, my first impression is it is quite long. I tend to like my necklaces up here, and it does hang quite long. Let me see. I did see there are more than one hole to loop it through. So let me put it on the smallest setting and see what that looks like. So there is the smallest setting, but for me, it still does kind of hang quite long. However, if you're wearing multiple necklaces, which is kind of what I would like to do, I want my collection to be maybe 2 necklaces and a pair of earrings, ring, maybe a bracelet. So at any one time, I am going to be wearing multiple necklaces. So it actually may work out just fine that it's quite long. Let's see what else we got going on. But so far, I really like it. Very pretty. Already, I just love the way that gold jewelry just elevates the look. You know what I mean? It just elevates the look, any look. So in here we have another necklace. This is the double curb. This is a double curb chain necklace. So this one definitely looks like it fits a lot smaller. So let's go ahead and try it on with the J necklace. All right, and you can see when you have multiple chains on, they obviously have to be different lengths. So that works quite well with the J necklace in terms of a length. I'm not sure how I feel about the 2 pieces together. Let me see. What if I take the J one off? That's really nice. I think I prefer the double curb chain than the J chain if I were to only just wear one chain. But they're actually both pretty. They're just different. What do you think? I like that one better, I think. The double curb. Yeah, so boom. Let's go ahead and see if we have any other necklaces. We've got one more little package with one little box. And comes with a little polishing cloth. And this looks like another necklace. Yeah, this is the layered bar necklace. Layered bar necklace. So this is actually like a double necklace. It looks like 2 necklaces in one. And I think Can I put them all on or is that too much? I feel like that might be too much. But let me just go ahead and put them all on now. And then I can take off what I feel like taking off. All right, so there we have the double bar necklace. And this one is definitely very dainty. And yeah, with all of the necklaces together, it's definitely too much. I think we should take off the double curb and just see what it looks like with the J necklace. So there you have the double bar necklace with the J initial necklace. And I think that looks really pretty together. That looks really pretty together. It's not too much. It's still dainty, but a little bit extra. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. That's very, very pretty. I feel like I would wear either this on a more casual day, but if I want to dress up a little bit, I would take these two off and just wear this one. But this is definitely like a cute everyday look. Now, let me see how it would look if I paired it with the earrings, my favorite earrings of the bunch, the Midi Hoops. Yeah, I like it. All right, boom, boom. Cute, beautiful, elegant. Love it. Really, really love it. Let me put the little ear cuff on and also my duet ring. And there you have a little basic Mejuri collection. What do you think? That is so pretty. I love, love, love how this looks. Very, very pretty. Very, 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 very freaking pretty. Love this. Right? You got the duet on the fingers, the duet on the ears, and then just a very simple, simple, dainty, elegant earring. We've got three necklaces going on, but they're all very simple and elegant, but also still have their own personality. The J or whatever initial for your name, and then the double bar gives a little extra oomph. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay. And then if I want to dress it up a little bit, what I would do is I would maybe take off the double bar and let's take off the J and let's take off the Midi hoops and let's switch it out for the large croissant domes and the double curb chain. And boom. Oh, very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. It's dressed up, but it's dressed up, it's bold. Love, 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 love. Yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. This is more of like a once in a while chain though. I don't know. I kind of really liked the daintiness of the double bar. I do really, really, really freaking love this though. This is really, really pretty. But I also really love the daintiness of the double bar. And then I could add the initial piece if I feel like zhuzhing it up a little bit. You know what I mean? There you have the dainty double bar with the bold, large croissant. Really pretty. I love the double bar. It's just so dainty. I love a dainty, dainty necklace on a woman. It's just so pretty. Just adds just a little touch, just a little touch, not too much, just enough. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's giving elegance. It's giving feminine. It's giving Mejuri. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Hey, I like it a lot. Oh, I like it a lot. I do prefer, prefer, though, for every day. I wouldn't wear these every day. I wouldn't wear these every day. I think I'm gonna stick to the Midi Hoops for every day. Like that. Mm-hmm. Just elegant and simple. Know what I'm saying? Simple and elegant. Boom. This is my new this is my new jewelry collection. Love it. Yeah. 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 If you want to see all of the pieces that I tried on today, you want to see my final selections, make sure drop down in the description, honey, and check out the links. I put the links down there for you. And if there's any discount codes or anything like that, I'm going to make sure to link that for you as well. Yeah. So that is going to bring my Mejuri try on unboxing review to an end. Although I do want to give an authentic review. So I am going to follow up with this video maybe in a couple months or so once I really have a chance to wear the jewelry every day. And I'll give you guys an update. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to leave me a comment below and let me know. Because I don't want to waste my time. You feel me? Like, if y'all want to know, ask me in the comments and I'll get it done for you. If you like videos like this one, tell me as well. And yeah, that's going to be it. I love my new jewelry. Reasonable, beautiful. We're going to see if it's actually high quality or not. Let's give it some time. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.